the mixing of my grout. I'm using it's called Michelin Grey. What is it, a 1.5 kilos, so you'll see how much I don't use, you know, how much you don't use heaps. There's a bit of plastic floating around. That'll get in my grout. Okay, I've put about 10 ml of water in there. I'll mix up the whole 1.5 kilos. But I don't need 20 kilos. Let's see how far it goes. 1.5 kilos. 1.5 mm joint, 6x6 tile, 30 square meters. These owners want the grout just a little bit darker. I'm a fan of the misty grey, but they would like the, oh, how do you pronounce it? Magalan grey. Okay. Whatever, anyway. They want it a bit darker. They've got a couple of big beautiful Labradors. That greet me every morning. Let's do it. I have my knife with me. I have my pliers with me and my knee pads if I come across any glue that I've missed, because sometimes you do miss a bit. I think my grout needs to just be a little bit softer. It's not bad. So this is the second floor this week that I've finished off, which is cool because I've been paid twice in 1 week. Which is cool. The owner says to me, "What would you like, Chris? Cash or card?" You know, brilliant. I just put in a little tittle more of water. Just a little bit. And it squashes down into your grout line, but not too, don't have it too runny, otherwise it'll sink. So there's a bit of a fine line there, people, DIYs. You want it nice and squishy, so it squishes down but not too runny that it sinks. Beautiful. It's autumn, so it's not super hot, so I've got plenty of time up my sleeve. With a satin tile, I can leave it not as long as a shiny tile, but longer than a matte finish tile, if you dig what I mean. And I'll pull out my trusty wash boy that goes with me everywhere. Okay, this is Chriso. Ooh, who's that dude down there? Yeah, g'day. This is Chriso signing off. I'll come back to you when I wipe off. We're wiping off. I just missed a bit of grout in there, so I had to put some in. No biggie. The old wipe off with a wash boy. Oh. Look at that. You don't even get your hands wet. Beauty boy. You don't have to wipe fast to be fast. People, DIYs, if you get that, if you get what I just said, you don't have to wipe fast to be fast. Apprentices, wipe nice, and you don't have to go back over it. Nice. So 1.5 kg of grout has done about 13 square meters of 6x6 tile, mil and a half joint. So if you're wanting to know, guys, how much grout you need, well, I never worry about it, because if I've got grout left over, I use it on the next job anyway, most of the time. DIYs, don't if you have grout left over, don't put it up on a shelf in your garage. It'll go lumpy after a while. You won't be able to use it. You're better off buying more. When you need it, if you need it, you know, because after a few months it gets all lumpy and goes off. So there you go. I'll come back to you soon. See ya.